After creating a lot of animation videos in Anireel, I'm ready to give you my full review of it. Let's talk about its features, performance, things I liked, things I didn't like, pricing, and much more. Hey, Shivam here. If you want to check out Anireel, you can do so from the discount link in the description below. I run a content creation agency and recently I got the project to create 2D explainer videos. I could make it in After Effects, but the requirements didn't make sense and it would have taken too long. So for these videos, I tried Anireel for the first time. And after creating about 20 videos now, I know this software in and out. I'll help you understand this software and if it's worth it. First of all, I want to talk about the user interface. For me, who comes from a video editor background, it wasn't hard to understand the app. It took me not more than 1 hour to use it to its full potential. The interface itself is very simple, intuitive, and easy to use. Keeping in mind that there would be all kind of users like content creators, marketers, educators, corporate training, etc. So even if you are a beginner or advanced player, it won't take you more than an hour to understand the software fully. So how do you create videos in this software? Basically, we create scenes by adding elements like text, characters, backgrounds, music, etc. All the assets could be found in the left-hand side and all we have to do is drag and drop to the scene. Let's create a scene for better understanding. We can create it from scratch or we can use the pre-made scenes. You will see that the library of scenes is vast as well as for the asset. There is one for all kind of situations. In the beginning, I did take some inspiration from these scenes. To create from scratch, we must add background. Then some elements like tables, chairs, etc. It has a wide range of assets and icons that we can use. Let's add some text too. I like we can animate how text and elements come in and out of the scene. There's tons of ways. Also, we can add some effects to these elements like to keep floating, bouncing, etc. We also get the option to import custom graphics like elements, backgrounds, videos, and music too. We have all these pre-made characters. Either we can use them or we can modify or create a new one from scratch. While you customize your character, you will feel like you are playing a game. That's what I love about the software. It doesn't feel like you are making complex animations. We are just having fun while creating these scenes and characters. Anyways, you have a lot of customization options for the character. And not just that, you will also find that there are a lot of pre-made poses like thinking, sitting, reading, talking, etc. And there are expressions too like confused, sad, shocked, happy, etc. However, I found some missing expressions and poses such as laughing expression, standing straight with a book or clipboard and facing straight, etc. But it wasn't that big of an issue. There are 3 styles of characters to pick from. I found these to be the best and to be the most vast as compared to other styles. But if you want that whiteboard look or cartoon style, then you can use those too. After we have made the scene, we can add transitions. It has a variety of scenes and visual effects that can enhance the storytelling aspect of our animation. Not just transitions, you can add camera movements and zoom too. Recently, I discovered that I can even select curves for the camera movement, like we can ease in and out for a professional movement. Thumbs up from a video editor. Last but not least, it has voiceover and lip sync features that allows us to add voiceovers and automatically sync them with the character animation. This is particularly useful for creating educational content and marketing videos. One thing to note that you can only generate 2 lakh characters per month. For export, there are a couple of options, though I would like to see more settings to play with. Speaking of performance, in my experience, Anireel was consistently snappy and responsive. Navigating through the interface, adding elements, and making adjustments were smooth without any noticeable lag. Throughout my usage, the software never hung or crashed. Also, exporting animations is quick and efficient. Even with longer, more complex projects, the export times were impressively short, way faster than Premiere Pro or After Effects. Now, there are a couple of things that I found missing from the software. The first is lack of shape tool for creating custom shapes, and there is no control for rounded corners. Also, you cannot stroke and fill the shape at the same time. That means you have to duplicate that to achieve the result. I have both Mac and Windows system and I do love to work on my Mac, but there is no app for it, which limits the accessibility. That being said, let's talk about pricing. There are 4 plans. Surprising enough, there's a free plan too, but that has a watermark, so it's just for the sake of trying the software. Talking about the paid ones, there's monthly, annual, and lifetime plan for $19, $96, and $149 respectively. There are only 2 differences between the plan: voiceover characters per month and updates. Rest you can pick whichever suits you the best. I have the yearly plan only and only because of the updates. Otherwise, I would have gone with the lifetime plan. If you want to check it out, you can do so from the description below, where you might find some discount. In conclusion, Anireel is a versatile and powerful tool for creating 2D animations. Its user-friendly design and extensive feature set make it suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to experienced animators. You can use it for creating all kinds of videos such as marketing videos, educational content, or just fun animations. While it may not be the best choice for highly complex projects due to some of its limitation, it excels in making great animation videos easy, accessible, and straightforward. That's it for today. If you are looking for Microsoft Office alternative, then this video will definitely help. And if you want to clean your PC, then there you go. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and comment your thoughts down below. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.